I'm sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable. Please leave a message after the tone.
Like, seriously? Seriously, public, it's been a week now. It's been a week and I haven't heard a word from you. You know, answer none of my calls. You know, return my call. You don't reply to my message. I'm going to know that this would have happened. I'm going to know. This is why I never did want to get nobody in my life. I'm going to give you the chance. And you see, it is like you disappoint me already. I'm not hear from you. And you know, so you take my virginity. Someone must be attached to you. But that you did want. That you did want, so you can just have it and then cut down it. You know? You see, if you decide to call me, no matter. No matter. Because I know what you're looking from you. I'm done. A big disappointment, this thing, I swear to God. Hello? Cousin? No, it's fine. I kind of want to talk to you about something. Yeah, my other house, you can come over. And I'm not in nothing. I'm not appearing on mine. It's fine. But I just want to talk to you about something important. Because obviously, I'm not nobody else I can come to you. Yes, you said that. The bank? I do what? But that sound like a big loan you take out for you, go bank go take loan. Look how much other loan places there in the vicinity. Anyways, which bank is there? Alright. So about 10 minutes time I see you? Okay. Just come in and nobody tell me say you come and you don't come because you do me this before. I actually want you. This is important. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, love you too.
How they left this gate open? They're not afraid dog come in and I'm not lucky. So I can't see that, so I left it. Hey. I didn't know this place here. Alright?
No reason. I just want to talk to you about something.
Come to you. Come outside and talk to me.
You don't want to come in? No, you're not alright, come, because you're not like in our house already. I can't take a problem.
Come.
Yeah, she might tell me, say, you're not a visitor no more, so I can't do that. You know, she leave lantern.
Lock it door. No business is she up there. I'm not turn right this one chat. While I chat, bush I chat, everybody have ears and a chat. We have to know where I chat. Say, I don't know the day we don't know who will listen. So I'm going. Come to you.
I don't know how to say this.
Something she do to you again, or she say something to you?
I know I can't take care of myself when I eat that. But I feel like I do something stupid.
Like what?
You talk to me, you know, but I feel like I do something stupid. And now I'm in a situation where I feel sick. I'm gonna know if
You want to go doctor?
But I meet this guy, right? And it can be one
Can
out.
be what? Look here. Talk if they talk. We are tap so much time and I chat about me meet this guy. What is the problem? What you talk about? We not come out straight and tell me everything straightforward and stop buck and stutter like your stomach. Your stomach all of a sudden, what is wrong with you? How why the girl cook overnight food and give you your man and your belly hurt you or you feel sick?
I can't know where you stay, man. I know why you're rough, me.
What you done? Your man dirty overnight food that she cook
I
from
meet
when?
one guy and me and him sleep. I'ma feel bad. I'm gonna know which one out I two feel bad if I something him give me or I'm pregnant.
You talk or you stop talk? Cause it come like me
stop
not hear what you
talk.
just say.
Me
What you just say about meet guy? Did you say meet guy out of your stupid mouth? When you meet this guy, you did turn your back to him? Eh? You turn your head or you turn your side? And your front part you turn to him? Eh? You turn your front game and now you talk to me about guy. You don't go turn. Which part of you turn to me? I mean you talk to already guy. Alright, stone them this up.
Me I look for you.
You look for
But
me?
I know you don't react this way. I open up there and look how you deal with me.
Open up. I know me you open up to is the guy where you meet. Listen to me. That's why you're sick. Open up to me. You could never open up to me. Because if you open up to me, I shut your box today. You lock up back. And put me out. You understand? Me can't believe say this you do. So I'm me left all of the blood of Jesus. Hold on there. I'm me left all of the problem for now. Eh? You leave all of the problem for me now. So when for your mama, hear them a kind of story. She say, oh, me let out the people way, no responsible. Look here, little girl. You know what I meant notice you don't know? When you reach the age of 18, you feel say, yeah. Government say, me reach the age of 18, so me have the consent to go do what? S, E, that X. Look here, girl, if I lick your fart. Where they talk about? Little girl, Mrs. say you want to put me in a problem, you want to put me in a problem. So let me ask you one question now. This guy, I look like that the guy that have no name. Mr. No Name, where you meet, is the first time you meet this no name guy and go sleep with him? Unprotected? Did you sleep with the guy unprotected?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Jesus, come down here and deliver me, Father God. If I lick a little girl here, if I lick your whole of your teeth, them drop out of your head. After me talk to you, they go put it to me now and tell me, say, it better me did have one boyfriend. You see where boyfriend get? And he not even look like a fear man. Because you could never ever meet one man for the first time in your life and you go warn him up about your man. And then, me know we are woman. Things can happen. But how the hell you never think to use protection? Whether for the first time, second time, third time, or last time, the first thought should have come in your big old dirty brain is protection. Because right now you don't know what you know. You don't know if you're breathing. Eh? You don't know if you're breathing or if you have known disease. And you say you're 18 and they go on like you're big. Who to tell if you know, if you're in a nasty girl bathroom for you, eh? And dash things in a woman's face. Because me I wonder how long, cause Jesus Christ. Me I wonder how long you chat to this man that's as you seen so you go have unprotected whatever with him. Like seriously? Really? No, I can't use this. Somebody must say this. I know for me little cousin this way me know long way so sensible and smart like that. You don't know say you really use protection, Shan. You're not even know where I make a run through my head now. Shanika, Like, seriously?
Everybody make mistakes, you know. You see why we 18-year-olds don't talk to big people about things like this? Imagine, you know someone have nobody, I'ma tell you this already. And you say,
Oh, so you not have me?
No, that's not what I'm saying. But I have you, and look how you deal with me. And you tell me say me can come to you. Any little thing at all, me can come to you for comfort and for advice. I'ma come to you about this. Remember, say, no.
Stick up in.
No, you listen
You
to me
need
for
to
once.
stick up in. Me tell you, say anything. You can't come to me. When you meet the man, did you come to me? No, you go ahead and go use and do whatever with yourself. Use yourself with this man. And then go and talk. Let me see how far you carry this story go. Go and talk, because when you meet him, you should have come to me and make me advise you in the right way. Say, okay, yes, you reach the age, so make sure you say you use protection. No, you do what you want to know, you come and complain. And they say me this and me that, and that's why you don't like whatever. Look here, 18. You reach 18. You have the age, little girl, but it's not mature. What again? You don't talk?
So you so perfect?
I am not perfect. I do make mistakes. But what kind of mistake? You're not a child. You're an adult now, you're 18. That's why you should have known better. No, you don't know how pack up in your look here now. Make me cuss today, you hear me?
How much mistakes you make in your teenage years? Remember, say me know about you and your life story, you know?
Your ear say you cannot know about me.
You tell me too. Say you're not perfect.
Me not perfect, but you don't know everything what me do in a real life. And when me tell you, I'm good that you can talk about.
But
you understand
at the end of the day, cousin, everybody
so why you never
mistake.
learn from the mistake them when me tell you say me making in my life? You go make worse than what me make.
You can be vulnerable too, you know?
Yes, of course.
And I
Why
was.
not? Me know. And me understand.
Remember, say my
But
virginity in text, and I like say a long time me I do it.
that make it worse. That make it worse. You should have know better. You make him take your virginity. I never make no man take my virginity. I give it to them, and not them take it. Oi, you think you have a roof over your head for yourself? Eh?
All me, you know, never again me go come to you about nothing.
I know that.
As a matter of fact, thank you for your advice. Me appreciate it. Have a nice day.
Shan!
What?
Your attitude stink.
And your love what you give to me stink.
Don't worry yourself. Make sure you see a non-breed.
How are you going, so?
No stop with me, no. Don't stop with me. Where's my in a good mood?
How could I cause all of this? I miss. Money no come yet. Afternoon. You're speechless?
How you call me? You forgot my name. All of a sudden you forgot my name. After so much years me and your friend until now. My name disappeared out of your memory. Okay, miss. What you say now?
The money come, the money reach. Talk to me now.
How much do you know my cousin there had?
7 days. And it has been hell for me. Living hell.
I like how you now go ahead and stay at hell. Let me tell you something. This 7th day when my cousin stay yard, me and you did hold no conversation say every week I get here me this fortnight. Which one? It look like you're not here good, Fiona. My cousin not send the money yet. What you want me do? Eh? What you want me do, Fiona? Sell me front and carry money come give you in a 1 week time and a 2 week you work to get paid for? You bravey. And let me tell you something. You see, when the other 7 days come, that go be 14 days. So you see, when me go collect the money when my cousin send it, and me carry come give you, make sure you say you give me one little thing out there because you did a dead for your grand and me give you work. So if you rate me like no friend like that 100%, you
But I talk nice, try hear about money. Try talk about money, just relax yourself. 7 days and so what? If he like 6 years, 7 years, I pay stress enough.
I just want
Hey, come talk about sell the body. Whether you want to sell your body, your front or your back, me no business. I don't care. I just want my money.
Fiona, tapping eyes. Me tell you that you know. Every minute me come in your yard, you make your neighbor then here say me come here. If you don't want me as no good best friend anymore in your life, for all of what me do for you, how much years now you come and treat me like I say me and nobody. Fiona, me not have to come in your yard, you know. Me look for my cousin there. Let me tell you something. Fiona, you know my style already. I can't easily take my cousin from your yard, but I call my phone every minute and I chat about. When me tell her, say my cousin say she want to leave you, I chat about. No man, make you stay because you're not work. No, you're going to go on like you're there on top. Just show me give you the little job. And this me? Fiona, you can't style me. Fiona, this is AKA Priscilla from downtown. Yeah, and me say money. So I don't know what you're talking about. Because right now, you know, I take my cousin from your yard, you know, you see one of you come back and ask for another job. Because you know your style already, you know. Remember, see your man dash you out, you know. Remember, see your man
You don't talk. You don't write the
You
episode. You don't
no,
talk.
Me can't don't talk about you because your life story in my hand like a book. You're out here,
Next chapter, please.
Next chapter.
Anything
When you
else?
diss me again,
Anything
next
else?
chapter we come out. Tap from this one every time you come here yard.
Nah,
Because you used
this-
to come on me yard, come bake me flour, sugar and rice.
Me
all
nah,
fast.
this, at least me stop big. Proud, so me stop big.
But big woman like you, I come on me yard enough time in and me sleep. Y'all wake me up in the night for your cook out.
So you're here to remind me of my past.
Yeah, because look there, all onion you used to beg. Onion, simple onion.
You want it back? You want it back?
Everything when me give you, me give it to you with a willing heart. And it's like me I talk about the Fiona, but every minute me come here, they style me. Then me no more
Me
style
nah
you back.
style, you just need to understand me. Friendship and money no work. Friendship is friendship, business is business. They must know that some love money. Not because me and your friend of me say, oh, Priscilla, welcome. No, it's business. When a friendship time, a friendship time.
Fiona, you know,
Me not hype on you, but I mean this.
I hype on me, Fiona. I hype the hype on me. So true because of money make you style me so much time. Me and style. Me Priscilla. AKA Priscilla from downtown. Remember say Redills me used to live. Look here, girl.
Yo.
You top from style me.
Style and style can't spell. Go your yard. Bring a fall. You know
see
what I
it?
leave?
You see it? I run you, I run me.
But
And if me take my cousin from your yard, you did fit on.
take her. If I want to take her, you take her. I don't really care right now because
look
I don't
how
really like her in the first place. If I want to take her, you take her. You understand?
you
I
don't like my
don't
cousin?
like her, I don't like problem. If I want to take her, you
Oh.
take her. I not ear to her, but I don't like her. Deal? If I want to take her, you take her.
Fiona, let me tell you something. You see any more deal, me come at your yard and you feel say you can style me as though the devil tell us if you style me. And you feel say you go get away with it. Fiona, let me take up my things them from out of your yard.
So that's a threat in my
me
place.
tell you
That's a
something.
threat?
It not go so.
So you're threatening me in my place?
That is not a threat, it's a promise. And anytime me come back, if you feel me, I'll take my cousin too. And you're not going to like what me I go do to you. Hey, girl, let me tell you something.
Just leave. For crying out loud, just leave.
Let me tell you
It's
something.
best to leave. Just
Look here, look
call
here.
me if any. Just
Look
leave.
here. You see this? Don't bother take it. Give me cousin when you go up there. When you go upstairs, give her it. And anyhow she tell me say you give her lesser than $1,000 because I did the right. So I talk to her about something important about overseas because she soon go. Right now, I look about her visa. I did there so they talk about her visa. She soon gone left your yard. You can't sell my cousin too long.
I don't need $1,000.
Me not
I can't show you money in my bag. I don't need $1,000.
Then Fiona, like how you have money. Why you run me down for money and if I nine up for me? You say you're not a good friend.
Money can never be enough, darling. Every day
You
is
say
something.
you're not a good friend. Make sure you say you give me. You know what? I can't bother with you.
I still love you, baby girl. Give me a hug. You know some mistake. Oh, we had a breeding in my house?
$100.
Your cousin said I should give this to you. $100.
My cousin would have never look at me and give me $100. My,
Stop
yo,
passing
yo,
place
don't
in
run
my
with
place,
me, you
stop.
know. Take your nose out of my face. When I look like Pitney, why would my cousin send me $100? Take your nose. You didn't hear what I said.
Lower your
You didn't hear what I said. Yeah, idiot. Hey.
hello? Hi, babe. I'm okay, how are you? Okay, that's nice. What I called to ask you, by chance, did you pass through like during this week? Yeah, I know you told me you're not in the country. Are you sure, babe? Why am I asking? Well, nothing much. It's like there's a situation that I come across, and I'm just trying to make sure you're not involved. Yes, babe, you can trust me. That's just it. Okay, yeah. Alright, enjoy your day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, love you too. Alright, later. I don't trust this man. I cannot.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the contribution. We will send you the package in 6 business days. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your contributions of every single dollar that you have sent. Yes. All you have to do now is clear the...
Still that?
All you have to do to clear the package now is to send 30,000 US dollars. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Goodbye. Brother, what you there? It come like every single day. You just want to catch me and do something.
Brother. What you mean, say? So you still are doing something, General?
Of course, Mr. Adonis, how me I gonna make one living? You think you realize me did drop out of school?
Just do it.
Alright, let me give you money, because you move foolish sometimes.
No, man.
No, holy.
Me alright,
Brother,
man.
holy money.
No, man, you work
Brother,
for it.
holy money.
You work
Brother.
for it, you keep it. Me don't come for
Brother,
that.
the woman I go say me 30.
Come to tell a story.
Before you tell me a story, hold this now. Buy
Let me take
yourself a
this
drink,
thing
man.
first.
Easy.
More the merrier.
Easy.
Listen. You remember one thing you can tell me one story about one girl who come up here? Who do you believe me say me come check you?
What you talking about?
Yeah, come check you. And me there gate. She claim me know say I must she, I see him one. So she didn't know and me did talk to her and thing.
Why, you catch her up on the road?
No man, right as she come in. And the girl, all left me some voice note and I called me how much weeks. But me get through, me do one thing.
My brother.
Yo! But
So-
the girl can go on, you know. Girl can
So
go on,
wait.
man.
We're going with you on.
What do you mean so I'm going to me? Yo, the girl, take me up the stairs there. You understand me? I said, dangerous. But I know it's one of them easy come one day thing there. I don't know
But
girl what
you know
to
what
think
say,
about.
yeah.
Eh?
Wait. So wait. A girl come in a matter of few days, you had to get it.
Well, brother, I don't know if it was just the moment in time. Because sometimes, you know, it's best, you know, it's timing. But I was on the perfect timing. And she just
So wait, I have
share
one
me
question for you.
upstairs. Eh?
You use a condom?
Well,
What you mean? No bother with that.
condom on I
No bother with that.
condom on I bus, but I couldn't reach back down there.
The man I say condom on I, but yo, you mean
Brother,
you wanna have a sex with me?
I'm
You must say
not-
you have 5 baby mother, you know.
4. Yo, easy, man.
What you mean 4?
4 baby mother.
Keisha,
Mhm.
Lisa.
One of them a jacket and a fillet. We are talking about a jacket that.
We know it damn well say that.
Look for
Well,
me. Look
I
for
know,
me.
I
And
know,
he put the
I-
white like a chalk. I know for me that.
But I do DNA test and it come
No
back to
man,
you.
no man, you have to do it DNA test. Brother, look for the picture, you know, so
But you
look,
still a mind
look
do.
for the head there. And your head lick like a. No,
You still a mind do.
No, I'm not really minding. Right now.
Alright, I
the
mean not even
problem
want to
she
talk
have.
too loud, you know, cause
Yo, but me I tell you, say, a girl, she
Mm.
go on good, man. But that's just a one-time thing. I don't know what me have to take serious
one time
like that.
thing.
You know, you go already. You know what I mean? We a chopper. You a chopper. You know what I mean? Me a
Me
chopper.
a
too.
chopper.
Ain't no stopper.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So just send me. She look good.
Yeah, man, she nice, man. She decent. But you don't see her yet. Brother.
You can't.
If you see that
If
girl
any,
there.
you should have told me. You should have found out if she had no sister or no cousin or nothing like
We
that.
never have them time there. Cause me I tell you, so the way the girl run on for me, it's like a she a look me. Yeah, man, check me upstairs fast and I ready to take. At first, you know, I told myself, I'm going to put on my game and, you know, give her some lyrics. But I realized that the girl don't want the lyrics. Only thing she wants to know, say, is that, you know, me up to what she up to. You understand me, I say? But that me come to this still.
You know, say most them kind of girl them bad still. So.
No, that me I tell you, man.
They more while it might not even be say she didn't want to do it anymore. While she most likely just want to cause some kind of trouble, you know. So nobody get herself in no problem.
Brother, me say she a call me and me answer the phone. And that me I tell you. 1 week now she a call me phone and I'm answer it.
Jaja.
You understand me? I say, yeah, stress me. All enough time there with baby mother. She a call me.
You mean that around your baby mother? You
Yeah, you know me.
You start talking to your baby mother?
What you mean?
Which one?
What you mean?
Which
One
one?
of them, Keisha, Patsy, Munchie.
Jaja.
We have to link them up. I want them have them, man. Me still running. Yeah,
and them leave mother and broke your pocket. That's why you not no money.
No, you don't have to look for another way there.
That's why you not no money.
No, you don't have to. Well, see there. Thank God for a friend like you. He just give me 3.
You know
I
what?
count it. You give me 400 US. You know what I mean?
Well,
I'm
it's too,
grateful.
cause me have some more money at home.
Respect, man. So me I talk about that, so me have to come check here. You know, for me I come from, I say, yo.
No, give me back that, cause you give me back.
No. Give. You give it already. Don't want to take it back. Okay, now. Yo, that's it that we go over iron and the hacker we go over iron. You give and take back, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, Jesus. What a day.
So, basically, she'll call you. So what, going in her contact her?
Yeah, man, I done with that, man. A one-time thing, I'm telling her. In and out.
So what is she pregnant?
What do you mean she pregnant?
No, ask me.
No, man.
Nah, call them for you.
Come like I call you, call long pan,
Nah,
brother.
call
Yo,
them
easy, man. I feel more to goat mouth, you know. You have goat mouth, brother. Yo, I'm not the pan.
Brother,
All month of
Papa say you have 5 feet, you know.
Yeah, but you don't have to call and sit there, brother. You tell you
I
talk sitting
call
there.
on it, but every
The same thing happened to Keisha, you know. You call long pregnancy upon Keisha and Keisha
brother,
breathe.
and me tell her 3 times say don't do nothing with Keisha.
No,
Keisha a mad girl. She not no sense. Don't do nothing with Keisha. Same thing with Patsy. Same thing with Lisa.
You don't know about the mad girl them. And then good
You lucky say
and then good underneath.
you lucky say Kendra never had no picnic for you.
Well, Kendra alright, because Kendra come like she they on different medication.
She still a link. She still want to link don't it?
No, she must stay far from me, can tell you that. Point blank. I don't know what she did. You understand me? But anyway, because you look dark, you know, I'm just going to link you and thanks for the contribution. Continue the way I do. Because if me I get a little bit out of time, I can't stop you.
But me once, alright. If me I give you money, you have to give me something in return. You know. As a friend, you know, me not even demand me just a say.
So what you want?
No, girl, whatever you want. Say,
Alright, I line up something for you, man.
Alright, but
I line up something for you, man. Because you know, I have a little move to make next week. I go line up something for you. Know yourself.
but just make sure say she not make sure say
You want her fat or slim?
How about that ask me that?
Huh?
Yeah, I didn't know else. but the thing is, you know, no bother make the girl there pregnant, you know.
No, man, you know. Yo, top calling.
Me not calling.
Yo, look on, respect. Yo,
make sure me just want to know say nobody not come on me yard. Make sure say she don't know. You just come
I
to
don't
me.
think she know you, you know. If you don't know her, she don't know you because she don't really come out like that. Me doubt. Because that day there, I'm lucky to see her, bro. You understand me, I say? But we shall get her. Bless up yourself, you know. And thanks for the contribution. Go and do your thing, man.
Alright.
Call them.
Yeah, me call back one next woman in the cars. I have one next call.
Call me someone. So left my voice message.
Hello, you have 1 new message. First new message.
Like, seriously?
First I hear this.
It's been a week now. It's been a week and I haven't heard a word from you. You know, answer none of my calls. You know, return my call. You don't reply to my message. I'm going to know that this would have happened. You know, I know this is why I never did want to get nobody in my life. I'm going to give you the chance. You're the first guy I ever gave a chance.
call her up.
Sold out, sold out, sold out. Hey. What you want?
Come on, man, just relax, man. Just hear me out now. Listen to what if you say.
Honestly, where you come for that morning? Where you come for?
Listen to this. Me just listen to the voice message properly and thing. Me never hear that, but me never know that much.
I've been trying to reach you ever since we've slept. Yeah. Yeah.
Just come meet me. Me go the up at the place up on close to a river, close to you. Cause that's me go do some business.
Listen, I don't want to see you. Honestly, I don't want to see you. I do not want to see you.
Just calm down, just calm down. Just come meet me up there and we'll talk. You just want to have a nice conversation with you.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Yeah. I get what you're saying, yada. I don't let nobody waste my time, and obviously you're a waste of time. I just said, again, let me repeat myself. Obviously, you're a waste of time. Listen, I don't think I leave my house to come meet you anywhere.
Somewhere where no noise or there's somewhere where we can just relax ourselves. Sometimes we just need to even look at the water and just have a conversation, yeah? Yeah, man. Please, just cool now, please.
Listen, where, and you only get a minute.
You understand? Some minute deserve. Just come there, make we talk, and then when we talk from there, so we see what's next. Alright?
Whatever. Just make sure so when I reach and tell me the nonsense on my ears. I don't want to hear no sorry, I don't want to hear no excuses. So if that you really call me out of my house for, you could have more than message me that. You understand what I'm trying to say? So make sure you have something concrete. Make sure you have something concrete to tell me.
I'm going to wait for you.
Anyways, come on from my phone. I will meet you in 20 minutes. Okay? 20 minutes.
Wait, is it 20 minutes? Alright. You got it here?
Waste of time. Imagine you sleep with me and then after that you disappear, or you expect me to feel. And it's you take my virginity. What? I'm not saying no.
Yeah, man, I'm here waiting. What are you talking about?
Which one? Straight?
Me see you. Just come straight. Why you look just looking miserable, sir? Just come straight, man.
Okay. Now come.
I tell you to follow the water. Listen to the water. Here.
Hi. What is it?
You listen your phone, message me, send me. And you can't go on like that.
What is it?
You can't go on like that, believe me. It can't be a case where you try to make it seem like say me wrong. You can't blame me.
The funny thing is, you're selfish. Why did you do this? Imagine for the first time me have sex. You never know. I never act it. I know that. It never showed, but it was my first time having sex. I was going through a rough part in my life, and honestly, you came along. And I just never want to hold on to my pride no more. And I needed somebody in my life. So yes, I give it up to you early. But why did you do this to me? I just want you to explain that, because right now, to me, I come here and start waste my time just for you to tell me foolish. So answer my question.
Normally, and this is the honest truth, normally when a girl give it up so easy, right? First minute, first 5 minutes, I see you. Yes, we had a connection. Yes, it don't feel nice. But me never think, say, you wanna get so serious. And then again, you not even come enough. One little bit of come out. You understand? Some never think you can actually do nothing at all if something fit do go on. You understand what I say? So just understand, say, me just never take it serious. And when you call me, me I look for it on a different level. As you are one of them girls.
Public. As mentioned before, yes, I know you never know me, I never know you. We never know each other, basically, just call it so, yes. But as mentioned before, I was going through a rough patch in my life. You're the first guy I literally ever been with. No, hold on. Me that got through a rough patch in my life, right? Yes, you came along, and my thing said, me having a guy in my life, probably my situation would have turned off. I'm not live nowhere. As somebody me I catch with, and at the moment when I look, I just have to say, listen, if I have a good guy and things work out and he can help take care of me, I can move out of the girl your house. So I risk it and give you my virginity. Honestly, that was what happened. I don't look kill this girl. I know it look away and it is embarrassing. And it made me look away.
So this ever happened before?
Yeah, listen me or not.
So you're
the first guy I ever sleep with. That's what I said. I'm sure you did see me, I believe.
So how you do it so good then? And I'm your first person.
You see,
So you watch TV, you watch porn and something? How you know what to do?
Yes, I watch porn, but that's not the point. The point is, I didn't look a way out. That's the point.
So I'm your way out.
I never look for you, but the fact I like you like me, yes. And like I say, I catch with somebody. I don't have nobody to talk to, nobody to share my problems with. And you come along and we connect the same very moment. Remember, you say you're willing to sit down and listen to me talk about my problem. I just have to say I find a guy. I have something concrete that I look for. Or would have had something concrete. As a matter of fact, you ever do a blood test or any test at all? Because you seem disconnected with your health. And honestly, I feel a way. I don't know which one out of the two. I don't know if I'm pregnant, or I don't know if I get some type of sickness. So I feel a way, and that's why I call it, because I'm there a fret and I want to know. You ever do any type of test yet? And since you asked me about virginity, you ever take a virginity yet? Answer me.
Alright, so since we are talking truthful things and you are asking so much things and blood tests and all these things, normally, if I get a girl pregnant, she wouldn't do a blood test. And she wouldn't, if she good, me know say me good. You understand? So it is a case where she do a blood test and she alright, me alright too.
You cannot live off of that.
What do you mean you cannot live off of that?
You cannot. And normally, it takes long for showing a men than women. So if you have any little thing, you're not going to know right away. But for we'll know. We'll start feel away. We'll see symptoms right away. So you can't go for just because you're a female have sex and she could do a test and it come out. Yes, it come out alright. That means you alright. Why you tell me a nonsense? I know so I'm not coming here to hear nonsense from you. I'm gonna see the conversation I'm gonna with. So basically, tell me what you call me as for, what you really want to say. Make it make sense.
All right, listen to me now. If me never rate you, I wanna respond to your message. If you never think say, you know, say maybe we can work it out, I wouldn't be here right now. Me there, so. To make you know, say I'm sorry for neglecting it, but as I said, the reason why I did it, because normally when you go out, if you go on a party and see one little nice girl and she says she want jokes, you know what I mean? And something go on tomorrow, I don't expect she to call my phone. And if she do call my phone, I don't go bother respond certainly because we had a wonderful night and we just left it at you know, the night and we're done. But alright, listen to me. You can give me a chance to convince your heart again that I am the one that you found a connection with.
I don't think so.
I'm not saying it's gonna happen right now. But you have to just allow me to knock at that door that you closed for me. Alright? So just give me a time will tell. And you will see me serious. Because them always say actions speak louder than words. Alright?
I'll think about it, you know. I have to think about this.
Please.
I'm not gonna rush into nothing with you.
I respect the fact that you say I think about it. That alone is perfect for me.
For sure.
Alright? That alone works for me.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do now is carry back down.
Don't drop me at the gate, because I can't take the drama with she and she had bring news to my cousin. So just drop me at the closest point and that's if we talk after, I don't know.
Right. I'm gonna make a difference. I'm gonna be the difference. I'm sorry. Alright? And if you're pregnant,
Touch me. Talk where you talk.
if you're pregnant, I'm gonna do it for you. Babe, no Alexis me, you hear me? So this is as close as we can go to your house. Alright? Now come here.
No way you hug me, you're not for hug.
No, man. Open the door for you.
No, but I come act like a gentleman, no. Excuse me.
No, but I want to be your gentleman. Even though them say gentleman are boot, but we're not up on something like.
Please, later. Later.
What going on
Clap,
for?
so.
What going on for? No want to know what I go on right here for now. Talk to me. Where you know this nigga you're from?
So we can tell me something.
Oi, all you can stay for last. My cousin come first. Where you know him from?
Your cousin?
And the person when me I talk to, I'm actually glad to get to see nobody you behave away and you make me afraid. Just stop now.
Sean, what you just say? What you just say?
You don't understand why you act like say something wrong with you.
Embarrass me, just easy now. Cousin, just easy now. I'm gonna talk to you.
Me fi easy. We know this a nigga you from, this a dirty boy ya.
I'm actually get the opportunity to introduce you to him. I don't understand why you behave so because it's the first year I meet him.
Can you prove that? You sure say the first me I meet him? You sure say me just a see him? Because y'all, Sean! You see that dirty boy ya? If you ever know why me left him, me and him did there. Me and this a drunk cry did there. A dirty nigga. So I not tell, wait, me clean out me ears good cause I not tell her they tell me say. At this a man where me put on you go take up and make him breathe you. God almighty, I breathe you. Sean, at this a man you breathe you. Me sorry for your condition. Me no shampoo. Sean.
What make you make you cry now? So make you cry now.
Yeah.
Why you make it seem like say me because me have a bad relationship? We not just agree.
We not just agree if you not that.
Positive can't agree on one line so. You go gash and feel fire gash. So me I tell you say because me feel that means say me and she go feel.
But I never know you don't talk to my cousin.
Me never know she neither. Me never know see your cousin.
Sean,
Too much.
Sean.
And we just say, hey.
Shanika,
Sean,
You see, all when I tell you yes or no,
Oh, no, come out of
he
me here.
tell me already.
me tell you when.
We not go feel take a one girl when we have before
I'm
me.
money you went there with me for. I'm my money, my things. Everything you call me about credit.
Hello.
Sean,
Turn up right there, so you now.
get a little bit.
Turn up there, so I don't go lean up like you know. Listen to me.
What make you go answer? What make you really go answer still?
If you ever know what this a nigga you do to me. If you ever know
Okay, make you cry.
when me and him have, that's why me left him. Sean, you really got to up the garbage?
You know, I'm feel any better about the situation, you know?
You're not feel no better because me and you there one place to talk. And you know what you do? They try to disrespect me and insult me about me at 18. And it better me did there with one man. And that the day that God come right now if I lie me they tell. And that the day they go, I'm gonna make him breed you. Why you never use protection, Sean? Eh? Your mama they are foreign. And me, she left you with me. I fi get one butterfoot girl. Fi take care of you. No wonder why the girl say she not trust you and her man. Me can't believe. So even though your body call, fi man, your mind never tell us if you think. Say, I wonder if I use protection because disease out there and baby out there. I'm not sure if this a man I want to take first time with him. I think it might shut you up. More friend in front of me. And make me catch run before you make me deal with this nigga. Oi! Shine your backside, who the hell you think you be? You know say my mind tell me say you know say I'm my cousin. Dirty boy made it there and you know say my cousin and still go there with my cousin. You know say you son like a foot clot. Eh? Woman your backside. Eh? Why you go there with me cousin?
I never know say your cousin. As a matter of fact, why me can't do with her? Me
But me did there. All when we left you, if you know say my cousin want me to go there with her. It's a dirty man. Your family ram? Where you come from?
Yeah,
Me and no family, but she's my family and me did it. Even though we left, you know say my cousin you go there with the girl. And a matter of fact, you should have used protection. But you don't care if she breed.
Who said me no care? So why am I here then? Why am I here if you not care?
Look here, I want another Canada man and eat the tree. God, he know make me walk right there. So guess me wouldn't. Cause around there so me go figure walk. But God lean me here so fi see your junk crop.
Walk her down and talk to her.
Walk her down.
But don't
I mean breeder. I mean breeder.
Had a bad relationship. Eh? Me have a bad relationship. That don't make me worse. So you put me down now.
Dirty boy.
So you still.
You breed me cousin. You go stand up to your responsibility. Cause you not left it for me.
What do you mean say left upon you?
Did you know that my little cousin is virgin? And you is the first man ever go sleep with her.
Me never know that.
The pitney of you, and you breed her, and you better mind it. I don't want to see you again back in my life. It's me, a force her to your family code. God come right here, so you see what you did to me? You see, 18? Because even if you're 20, you will not want to mind your pitney. But let me tell you,
So why you make she stay with that woman?
why?
You have so much space over here.
That's enough for your business. Come out of family affair.
I bet some money you did for.
Remember what me used to do to you, you know? Remember what me used to do?
Money you did for, I bet you.
Money me do so. Yeah. And so what?
Eh?
You have a problem with
I
that?
get an easy way out.
As long as enough for your money, me I take that. No have nothing to do with you.
Got my money again. That's a problem.
You know,
No,
me
it's
go
not
look.
your problem.
Me go look for
I
me
got money,
cousin.
more, you know.
Money.
It's not the fact that me and your cousin there. It's because you can't get my money from me. And that's your problem. You see, you're always up to
So public, me ask you a question. Talking God truth now, when God love up heaven. Why you did start getting money?
Because you pressure me.
That's why me start your
Bun.
Sean,
What? Don't call me though.
you take man now, you start answer me like I say, how you feel like?
Me not try to be disrespectful, but me no want you know chatting with nobody right now. Just leave me alone. This is what. You don't embarrass me up this in front of what more you want. Sure. You're not even trying to be there for me. Mental. Every day I bring me down. Every single day. I remember feel worse about the situation. You could handle it better. You have to always be a hooligan and be boisterous about everything. And seem like you take it for a joke up on your face.
Go and feed me bread. I'm hungry. You finish talk?
So what you have to say? Because when I reach up there, so I'm
Look for you, Sean.
after this.
If me want you to talk, you have to talk. Any question me ask you, you have to answer. So better you shut up your clappers and listen. That's how you don't learn. When me used to talk to you, You hear me, but you don't listen. That's why you do not learn. See what I'm to you now? Belly. And me, I figure take care of you. And force man, fi take care of you. And you come rank with me. Look how you little piece and tail girl. Look at you. Look there. Look how you. You know much dirty shit up pampas me take off of you. You think a little piece up yourself. And I know your mama travel girlfriend, you know. A long time, ancient days, from the devil was a boy, so I know me have you. So if me give you to somebody for you stay there, and you feel that you reach the age of having whatever with man, you should have think. Use your head, Shan. Me not say enough to do. And me not tell about no do's or no don'ts where you enough to do with man, you know. Because you're 18, me understand, but why you never use protection, that is my problem right now. Right now you left me in a deep shit. Because when your mama hear about this, all this thing I go now, they can't chat about this and that. Think before you talk. You're very disrespectful. Look at you. You don't think a little things me do. Eh? For you? Eh? Sean, be careful of what you say to me. Because we are 18. Me not feel like you got enough. Because I not go no prison for you. And I not make you dash with no belly. You're the go theory. You is going to become a mother.
You keep on saying I'm pregnant. I never say I'm pregnant. I tell them I feel away. I feel sick.
Hello.
It can't be one of the two things that
I'm not doing nothing. You was so you breed. You're not let no police call on you. Let me see your eye. And shut up. Because we know about breed and pregnant or whatever. Me all on you. Me breed 10 times. Let me see in your eye. I don't want to hear nothing from you. I'm honest. See it there. Look. See it there, Peel. You're pregnant. See it there. Watch out, watch out.
I don't you want to hear.
Yeah, breed. The only reason why I not touch your belly is because that not make it. But it's in there. I mean, now care you go on doctor go dash away. You will never let that thing come.
I never asked you for that either.
You go carry. And if you go behind me back, go do it and make that dirty foot boy there. Force you. If you go dash away, you will see for me and you. Come go on inside. Little bit of water. Go on in. Because girl don't make me have anything. Go on in. You walk and stamp, me not even come up there. Go on up there to the woman. And if you tell her something in her yard, make sure you go and chat about how me come in here and not even say that kid. No, you don't believe say little girl do that. Right, you know, Father God. If our mama turn a foreigner, you say she a breed, me not get no more money, you know. They say you, watch me eye.
What with you?
You two? No! Not you two.
No slam no more doing at my place.
Yo, come on,
Me tired of you, know. Me sick and tired.
I'm tired of you to come out of my room now, please. Me not in a good mood. Come out of my room. Me I beg you.
What mean by come out? Are you your
Me
place?
not in a good mood. You know your
Every day you're not in a good mood. What with you?
Why me not need
You're
to
sick.
talk to you?
You're mad. You're crazy. What with you?
To talk to you.
What with you?
I'm your therapist. Are you a therapist?
Just shut up.
Come out of my room.
Listen,
Can
me
you
just
get
come here to tell you say it's my place, so I can be disrespectful, not you. Me come here to tell you say no slam no more damn door in my damn place. This is not your house. This is not your house.
You said that already.
Me
Leave.
sick and tired of you.
Are you a scratch record? Leave.
Crosses.
You said what you said. Leave. Bigger crosses. Bigger germs. Leave.
No.
Grab me. I don't want no man. I don't want nobody to call and nobody me. No. Hello.
Hello, babe.
Don't babes me. And if you call me for complain about my cousin, don't complain to me because I'm stressed out right now. I just cannot bother.
You can listen to me. You can listen to what I am saying. So that you're judging about what I'm saying.
Talk, please. Just make her get it over with.
Alright, listen to me. First, I'm very sorry to make you feel this way. Like you're doing something wrong and all these things, right? Next thing is that you can't blame me to certain things like you know say you're cousin that and you cannot blame me. You understand? But I was wondering to myself and say, if push comes to shove, and you're really pregnant, you want to do an abortion?
I know you don't come with this, you know. Where you bring this to me for? Abort the baby for what? For what reason?
I just want to know if certain questions are being asked, you know what to do.
As a matter of fact, as a matter of fact, come to think of it, I don't think I want a baby with you. You understand? So if it come to the no, me will go check how much it costs, and you're going to take that money to me, you see? I just need to find out.
I know what it costs,
Yeah, you would have must know. You would have must know, so it come like you do this very often. You would have must know how much it costs for about a baby.
I think, no, but listen, there's Google, there's internet, there's, information we can get. Because Google can tell me, say, it's 35,000 for the cheapest one.
Alright, so you know what you're gonna do? You see that 35,000, you're going to take it to me. I'll go by myself and I'll abort the baby. Me no want you come with me. Me no want have nothing to do with you.
You don't have to go by yourself.
Me no want you not hear me? Me no want you come with me. We're not a couple. Me no have nothing to do with you. I'll go by myself. Just bring the money to me and then you can go to hell. And then we go my separate ways.
Why are you doing that to me? Why are you judging me like that? Why is it that every time when a man come to a woman and talk to them about certain things, make it sound like, say, them are the worst thing. We just want to close all the doors. We want to know what's the possibility. You understand? When you make it seem like, say, the worst thing ever become here and say, put the options there. Remember now, it's just to realize they are really, like, thinking about it now, it's to myself, they are really averting because remember when we reach it, we close them blood up on us.
So you realize that now. Why would I lie about it?
Did I say you're lying? Did I say you're lying?
Yeah, but you never know. You can't feel that. You can't feel it.
I never put it into perspective. I just say, where this come from and all these things. Why are you doing me like that? I really care about you always. I wouldn't be calling you. You never know that.
After you slept with me, you went MIA. I never hear back from you.
We talk about that already. We talk about it.
Yeah, so why you care now? That me I try to wonder why you care now. And as a matter of fact, I did done say it a while ago, right? I don't think I want a relationship with you. Because you've been asleep with my cousin. I mean, you never know say I'm a cousin or that. I understand, so you don't have to explain that again. But the fact say you used to sleep with my cousin, I don't feel good about this and I don't want a relationship with you. I don't see a future with you. You understand? So just bring the money, come. Give me when I do my abortion and you can go on by your business. I'm tired for say this.
Babe.
Stop babe.
Oh, yeah, my baby.
I don't have time for this, and that now swell up my head right now. That don't make me feel good. I want done with this, done with you, done with this. Go on about your ways. I know when you bring the money, come give me, okay? Please, may I beg you.
I'm going to bring you the money. I'll call you tomorrow and bring the money and drop it off. Alright?
That's all I have to say now? Is that all?
No, I'm just saying, just give me a chance.
Public. I don't want a relationship with you. Stop. Have me repeat myself.
Alright. If I have to say, that to say.
Yeah, that me say and that me mean. And I just want to say I mean it.
Alright.
And as a matter of fact, you say you come give me the money tomorrow. No call my phone. Text me. I don't want to hear you. Don't call me. Okay, send a text. Bye. I don't know what kind of cross is this I call down for myself. What this me do to myself, man? What this? Look who me I breed for. I don't even know if me I breed to, I could have some sickness in brain, come give me. The money me I take and go doctor, because I should have listened, because my cousin did right. I should have listened.
Yeah. Yes, Lord. Your name. Yeah. believe in Jesus. They say they don't trust the color of his skin. I say the skin don't determine the anointing. Oh, it's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, it's the blood. It's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, there is power in the blood. There is power in the blood. The blood that flows from Calvary.